Bollywood star kids who rule the social media. Waiting for your favorite Bollywood stars to officially launch their kids into the spotlight? Look around. The next generation of stars is already out there making their presence felt in the industry. Shah Rukh and Gauri Khan's son Aryan Khan. Sunil Shetty's son Ahan Shetty. The Bachchan granddaughter Navya Naveli. Saif Ali Khan's children